Cable manufacturing machines process many kilometers of extremely thin abrasive wire strands, often at high temperatures. Consequently, the pulleys carrying the wire strands must be light, thermally stable and wear-resistant. The goal of the Tribo Surf project is the development of a nanotechnology-based surface coating that has excellent dry-running properties for plastics and steels, with product applications for different parts of machines. Kura develops and manufactures special machines and systems for all areas of industry, especially in the field of cable machines. The company is the lead partner of the Tribo Surf project, one of the innovations within the Rocket project, together with the partner PCO Tech. This innovation project is part of a larger consortium in which a lively exchange takes place between all partners.
Kura develops and manufactures special machines and systems for all sectors of industry. In the field of machines to produce cables, Kura is one of the main suppliers in the market. Our partner PCO Tech is an experienced developer of coatings and surface modification. The Tribo Surf project has two tasks. The first task is the development of a deflection wheel with improved properties. The surface modification makes it possible to produce a wear-resistant pulley with a low weight. Our partner PCO Tech is an experienced developer of coatings and surface modifications and knows the medical and industrial sectors well. The second task is the further development of a lever arm braiding machine. For the CFRP market and for medical devices, lubricant-free production is required. We reach it by the combination of different surface modifications and the optimization of the contour of the contact surface.
The Tribo Surf project aims for development of tribological surface modification to gain ultra-hard and ultra-lubricious surfaces for pulleys and lubricant-free braiding machines.